Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome to page 19 of our book. Today also we are still continuing with our letters, how they appear when they're in the beginning, in the middle, and end position. Okay, inshallah, let's jump into it. Okay, so we have ta. Today we have ta with a fatha, ta. Okay, look at ta in the beginning, ta in the middle, ta at the end. Okay, also you can also take a look at dha, which looks like dha, sorry, which looks like ta. Okay, in the beginning, in the middle, at the end, the difference are the dots. Okay, also here we have an unconnector, so it means it cannot join with the ha. Also here we have an unconnector. We said the non-connectors are 6: alif, dal, val, ra, za, and waw. Okay, waw is one of them. So ta, ra, ha, taraha, taraha, kha, ta, ra, khatara, khatara, wa, sa, ta, wasata, wasata, طرح طرح خطر خطر وسط وسط. Then you have the. Okay, look at the in the beginning, the in the middle, the at the end. Also we have an unconnector here. Look, it cannot join with ain because it's an unconnector. And here also we have an unconnector, but it can only join before it. Okay, so we have the with the fatha, the. Okay, the na, ضعنا 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 نظر 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 وعظ 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 ضعن نظر وعظ. Now let's go to Ain. Excuse me. Ain with the fatha, a. Look at a in the beginning, a in the middle, and a at the end. Look how it changes its shape and pattern. Okay, look how it changes its shape and pattern. We have here a, o, da, عقد عقد فعل 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 جمع 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 عقد فعل جمع. Let's go to the second half. We have ghain. Ghain, as you can see, ghain and ain, they look alike. Okay, the difference are the dots. Now look at ghain in the beginning, ghain in the middle, ghain at the end. It's a connector, which means it joins from both sides when it's in the middle. And also here we have a non-connector. Look, a non-connector, before it we can join, but after it we can never join. So do not forget about that one. That's why you see me repeating it again and again and again, so that if we finish this couple of pages, we will never come back here, and it's good for a student to know all this. Okay, so we have gha, ra, sa, gharasa, gharasa, شغل 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 بلغ 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 غرس شغل بلغ. Then we have fa. Look at fa. Fa in the beginning, fa in the middle, fa at the end. Look how it is. It's a connector. Okay, we don't have any non-connector in the beginning or in the middle, but we have one here at the end, so it means it only joins from this side, but it can never join beyond it if there was any other letter here. So we have fa with a fatha, fa, fa, qa, da, faqada, فقد فقد نفع 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 عطف 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 فقد نفع عطف. Okay, inshallah, مع السلامة. See you in page 20. If you have any question, please let us know. Please share, subscribe, and like. مع السلامة.